Hello ladies and gentlemen, I know you guys maybe can't see me, but I went to the highest peak and one of the most nicest restaurants in all of Philippines. And as you can see, this is all of the Philippines lights, and we are going to a 5-star restaurant. And we are going to see how beautiful this place is. But supposedly this is like one of the nicest places to be up here, and we're at the highest peak of a mountain. It took us over like maybe an hour to get here, but it wasn't easy to find. But look at the views. I mean, you see the views of all of the Philippines. It's beautiful. Our friend accidentally hit her car, but luckily for her car, I don't think it hit the, I think you hit the, I think it was your wheel.
Yeah, just only the wheel.
So she was involved in a crucial accident of hitting a curb. So
yeah, this is
we're gonna make it.
Yeah, there's a restaurant.
Oh,
Yeah.
they said it was closed?
No, like
it's open. Oh, okay. So as you can see, we're on the top of a mountain, but you can see like the peak. But everybody goes to this random place in CEBU, and supposedly this is supposed to be the top of the mountain where the restaurant's at, and it's supposed to be like the most nicest scene, and the food is supposed to be amazing, and you got the Filipino food and some type of Western food, but it's literally the top of CEBU. So we are going to the top of CEBU restaurant, and we're about to hit up a 5-star. So I hope you guys are ready for the views. We are in the top of CEBU, and here we are. If you guys don't know, we are literally on the highest peak, and look at what they have. They have seafood, they have sizzling, they have crispy pata, salted egg, spring rolls. I mean, they have a lot. And as you can see, there's a map, but look how beautiful this is. It's gonna be one of the nicest, this is probably gonna be one of the nicest restaurants out here. So as a, sometimes it's good when you vlog to go to places that are a little bit more scenic, not just street food all the time. So I hope you guys are ready. But look at this. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. As you can see, it's the top restaurant, and you can see the top of the whole CEBU. And we are out here, ladies and gentlemen. Really nice restaurant, really beautiful views, 5-star rated. But look at the views, unbelievable. And it smells so good. It smells so good. But check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the restaurant views. And this is the balcony, and then this is the views of the restaurant. So I hope you guys are ready for an incredible dinner. And so I'm accompanied by 2 ladies, and one of them is their birthday because they invited me. So here we are, and we're about to get top views, and here we go. Yep, we're out of here.
Alam mo para birthday na place. This is the last dinner I had with my dad.
Aww. And as you can see, like the views of the restaurant is unbelievable. Wow. This one's reserved, but it's not reserved by us, but look at it. Super beautiful. I can't wait to see to try the food. And it looks like it's gonna be some interesting flavors. Here you go, buddy. All right. What do we got here? So you got pasta, you got starters, you got main courses, sizzlo, you got seafood salad, you got soup, they got halo. I mean, they have spring rolls, they have everything here. So we're about to eat like a king right now, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope you guys are ready. What a view. Okay, you guys got to see like the food that's here. This is crazy. So we have, that's chicken adobo, and that's the clams, and then that's also parmigiano. You have fried calamari, and then what's this right here?
Kare seafood.
Oh, so this is seafood. Wow. It's a Filipino dish? Peanut sauce. Okay. Look at that. Wow. So we have that, and we have all, oh my God. So we got the soup here. We got all the all-in-one soup, and we have the calamari, which I'm definitely gonna try right here. So there's a yellow sauce right here. I don't know what that is. And you have the white sauce. Oh my God.
Thank you. Like soup.
So, I haven't ate all day, so I'm very excited to finally get some food. Got my Coke Zero. And So this is chicken adobo.
No. Mung bean.
Which one's this one?
Mung bean.
Oh, mon bean. So
Yeah, soup. It's a soup.
it's a soup
Yeah.
filled with like a bunch of, looks like lentils and some
beans,
seafood, beans,
Beans, and then there's like coconut milk as well.
coconut milk.
So it's like more Filipino soup. Yeah.
Wow. The coconut milk and everything inside it is just delicious. It's like, wow. Flavor's incredible. You can taste the lentils and just everything in it. It's just delicious. There's a lot of flavor packed into this. I'm actually surprised. And I guess I have to stay away from this one.
Just wait, no, but
Okay.
so much.
So far, the good thing about this flavor is it's incredible. Like, bean. This soup is delicious. Honestly, like the best soup I've had since I'm, like, being honest. It's packed with a lot of flavor. It's really packed. And I think the calamari is honestly hands down super delicious, especially with this white sauce. So good. Wow. Wow. What's this orange stuff?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Interesting. That actually really works well with the soup. And then we have a seafood soup, and this is like supposed to be packed with a bunch of, you can see the calamari, you could see like all the flavors of the shrimp, and you also have chilies, and then this orange broth sauce. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. And maybe you also have a clam, and I'm gonna try a little bit of this. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Let me just try a little bit over here. I got it.
No. Like this.
Ah, so you get
sauce on the rice.
okay, so you put the sauce on the rice. Interesting. So I'm learning thanks to the friends that are here with me. So you put the sauce on the rice, and you have shrimp and you have calamari. But let's see how good it is. So I'm gonna put this all together. As you can see, a packed with flavor.
That's the sauce. The shrimp sauce.
Oh, is it a shrimp sauce?
Yeah.
So yeah, the shrimp sauce
They
as well.
call it bagoong.
What's it called?
Bagoong. You need to taste it first, okay? It's
Okay,
salty.
I'm gonna see if I can taste it. Oh yeah, that's very salty. Okay.
Yeah, so it's like more, that's the part first.
So this has like a peanut taste to it, so that's why you put the sauce. But look at the shrimp though. Yo, the shrimp is ready to go. Just pop it open, and there we go. We got some fresh shrimp. It's really packed with a lot of flavor. The peanut sauce, hands down, goes really well with the shrimp. But wow, this peanut sauce is delicious, and the calamari. And then I'm gonna try to grab one clam if I can. See that right there? Open it up. Oyster. That peanut sauce is incredible. Holy moly. If you don't love seafood, then you're missing out. Truly missing out on the seafood. Wow. Hands down. This is why they probably name it one of the best restaurants out here. We get the views of Philippines, right? But you also get the food, and the food is really delicious. Wow. We got fries for gentleman right there. There you go, buddy. The flavor of like everything here, you can just tell it's really good. It's really good, yeah. It's just like all the flavors, but they really do a good, job on cooking everything to its full. Sometimes when you eat too much street food, you get kind of tired and you want like a 5-star restaurant, and this is where you go for a little bit 5-star. Hands down, delicious. Really good. How's your pasta? Everything good?
Yeah, so
Oh my god. I'd say the calamari is like one of my favorites, I'll be honest. Whatever this yellow sauce is with it, oh yeah. Ooh, I'm already getting full. And that's like one of the craziest things, because I don't get full this fast. I haven't ate all day. I can't believe it. Wow. So I'll be honest, this soup right here was like this lentil, whatever this soup is.
yeah.
This was the best over this one. This one's good, but I think this one is more. I like this one better.
Because of the coconut milk.
Oh, the coconut milk. The coconut milk makes everything like perfect. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. When I was my dad, he was a taxi driver in San Francisco. He would bring me this every single night when I was a kid. And it just brings me back to like San Francisco days in the Bay Area. And this is what I would love the most is calamari every day. I would go to the pier on Fisherman's Wharf and I would order the Fisherman's platter, and it would have fish, shrimp, and fried calamari and hush puppies. One of my favorites. Wow. Delicious. Okay, so the total came out to $2,235. That was like 7 dishes. So if you're looking at 7 dishes, and I'm looking at my calculator right now, 2,235. It's ridiculous. So literally $39 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items. It's ridiculous. From drinks to soda to calamari, to take it to go, to get this beautiful view. As you can see, super nice view. Thanks to the random people that helped me out, and they're still here, which is awesome. They actually showed me around this whole place. So far, it came out to literally 39 American dollars, which is ridiculous. So I hope you guys enjoyed the 5-star experience, because I know I did. And I am food comed out. I ate a lot, and I'll tell you guys right now, we got it to go, but inshallah, I'll see you guys again. Wally's journey. Live your life to the fullest, because tomorrow's never promised. Never promised, excuse me. That's how food comed them out. And I will see you guys on another journey. Over and out. 5-star experience, legit.